Hi guys, welcome to this video conference with one of my customers. In this particular case, we are going to solve a problem related with the inboard gasoline engines Crusader. This is a boat 33 feet long with two inboard Crusader engines, and the engine was off for a long period of time, and when the customer tried to start again the engines 1.5 years later, one of the engines start, run a couple of minutes, and shut down suddenly. The other engine never start. He said that the fuel, the gasoline, is good. In other previous assistance troubleshooting, I helped to him to check the batteries, to check the fuel lines, the electrical connection. Everything is okay, and the complaint is the starboard engine start a couple of minutes and shut down, and the port engine crank, but no start. Okay, I recommend to him bring a portable fuel tank with fresh gasoline, and the idea is disconnect the original fuel lines connection of the boat and connect the portable tank to start both engines. He installed a Y valve to supply fuel for both engines at the same time. And the starboard engine is running good. The pressure is the oil pressure is in between 40 and 50 psi. It's good. And the temperature is between 140 160. Is good after the engine reached the operational temperature after the thermostat open. The port engine crank and never start. We check a spark. The spark plugs receive a spark. It's okay. We check the condition of the battery. Everything is okay. For that reason, my suspicion is that the engine is flooded with gasoline. I recommend remove all the spark plugs and crank the engine without the spark plugs and push out the excess of gasoline in the cylinders. My customer did that. He removed the spark plugs, he replaced the spark plugs for new ones, he cranked the engines and pumped out the fuel. We are going to check the video right now. And after that, the engine starts perfect. The pressure is a little better than the other engine, around 50 psi, the oil pressure, and the temperature exactly the same, in between 140 160. We run both engines. We move the boat to other place in the marina with the portable tank. Everything is okay. And now the next step in other video, we are going to polish the fuel and putting back the fuel lines to the original position in the boat. I hope you enjoyed this troubleshooting. If you have a troubleshooting, if you want that I help to you with a special issue in your boat, please call to me to my WhatsApp number, or write to me to info@mrlopezclasses.com or mttedu.org. And I am happy if you enter in my website. You have in the option troubleshooting, you can schedule a conference with me, and with your camera, with my camera, we can solve the problems together. I have a lot of customers in different parts of the world, and we solve similar problems only with the camera or your cell phone, my cell phone, and always we found a solution for your problem. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video clip. If you enjoy this type of material, please make a click on the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, enjoy this troubleshooting, remote troubleshooting. You putting back the cables in the same position?
The plugs in the same position, did you ask?
Yeah, and the cables in the same order?
Yes, that's correct. All right, so let's see here. One more check. I got coming this way. This one, I got to close this one here. I got the hose in. I got the batteries on. The engine is clear. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prime the line first.
All right. Priming before, no?
Okay, it's going to the pump.
Okay.
Just giving it a minute to get back around to the engine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to try.
All right. If you are ready, try to accelerate a little with the engine off. Wide open.
You got it.
Okay. All right.
Yep. Okay.
Ready?
I'm going to put you down for a minute. Okay, engine's running.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Can I check the pressure? That's great. And what about the temperature? It's correct, it's going up. And yeah, that's good. That's good.
All right, so let's see if it shuts down on its own again.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Congratulations. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. I am too proud of you.
Oh, I stopped it when I stopped accelerating, but
Okay, no problem. Good enough. Great.
yeah.
Okay, good. That's good. Okay, Ray, right now, the next step is clean or flush or, yeah, flush the fuel in both tanks, no?
Yeah, a little bit of exhaust smoke. That's okay, right?
It's okay. That's normal. That's normal.
Yeah. Okay.
That's normal. It's okay. It's okay.
Can
Are
I
you
try
happy?
turning on the other engine too to see if they run together now?
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
All right.
The engine, the other engine is stalling a bit. The one that was working yesterday, someone's trying to turn it on. Yeah, it's probably just cold because I haven't turned it on yesterday. It's running now.
Okay. Okay. All right.
So both engines are currently running.
Okay, perfect. How are the pressures and temperatures?
Let's take a look. This is the one we're working on today.
Okay.
Pressure is between 40 and 60.
And 50, correct? Temperature more 130, 140. That's correct. 140, that's correct. And the other engine? Okay, great. Great. The temperature is going up. The oil pressure in this engine, in the port engine, is better than the starboard engine. It's okay. But are you happy, Ray? Both engines are running.
Yeah, like I said, I had it idling before with the original fuel tank. I'm just worried about when I go into the harbor and start accelerating it and try pushing the engines if it's going to stall or not. So I guess I'll have to try that next.
Okay, that's okay. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Should I try it with a separate fuel tank or should I try it with the original fuel?
I prefer with the original.
Original fuel first?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that sounds good. I'll try that first then.
Okay, no problem. Perfect.
Awesome.
Great. Great.